Health centers in Mississippi could see a major budget cut. Good evening, I'm Anna Manuel.
And I'm Mark Edwards. Thanks for watching Fox 23 News at 9. Health centers could have their budgets cut by nearly 70%, and as a result, many Mississippians will need to go elsewhere for medical attention.
Fox 23's Corey Howard explains the impact these cuts could have on the state as a whole in our top story tonight.
Budget cuts threaten health centers around the state.
Right now, we're facing a funding cliff, a 70% funding cliff. And what that looks like is that our budget may be cut, so the types of services and programs across the nation may be cut.
Which means many Mississippians may have to seek medical attention somewhere else.
Many Mississippians that don't have health insurance, they depend on community health centers as primary and preventive care service providers. So a lot of those patients may be faced with not having a provider for health care or anywhere to go for any medical services.
According to statistics, community health centers are the family doctor for more than 27 million patients. And these centers also save the U.S. healthcare system $24 billion each year.
One of the main things I think people need to take away from this is that we need to let our legislators in all states know that community health centers are a viable part of the healthcare system. One of the main things that they can do is reach out to their local legislators, call their offices, get on their Facebook page, post things, tweet things, let people know that community health centers are important to their communities.
This is a message that Community Health Centers sent yesterday with their day of demonstration.
Yesterday, community health advocates across the nation traveled to Washington, D.C. to meet with Congress to discuss the funding cliff and to try and get more support for our funding. And that's what the day of demonstration was about. And patients and community members and staff members were all asked to wear red.
Wearing red to take and post pictures on social media to show their support for health centers in America.
And the whole goal of that was to really amplify our voice in social media and really get that message out that health centers are important. And I think it was a great effort.
Corey Howard, Fox 23 News.
67 senators on Monday signed a letter to Majority Leader Mitch McConnell and Minority Leader Chuck Schumer expressing strong support for community health centers and requesting reauthorization for the program.